Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, my name is Musakir. I am student of Politeknik Pertanian Negeri Pangkep, program studi agroindustri kelas A. I will show you how to make coffee milk. Material and tools. First, hot water, sugar, spoon, glass, coffee. This is coffee Toraja, and milk. Of making. First, prepare a glass. Secondly, put a spoon in of coffee in the glass. Next, add some sugar to the glass. After that, add some milk to the glass. This is and then pour the water in the glass. This is the hot water. Lastly, mix it by stirring it. Finally, coffee is ready to serve. Very good. Okay guys, that's how to make coffee milk. You can try it. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.